Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find email address on Facebook. So I want to just launch the Facebook application on my mobile device. Now we will move in the right bottom corner option is the menu. Scroll down, just tap on it settings and privacy. Just tap on it settings icon and here you will see the Meta account center. So I want to just tap on it as well and just find the account settings, and after you will be just find the personal details. So I want to just get in my personal details. After loading, here is the contact information, so you can see the email address. So in this way you will have to find email on Facebook. That's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.